want to start off with the unboxing of this wig. I was sent over a satin bag so I can place my wig unit in. Also, it came with other accessories like a robe, a headband, a whole bunch of wig caps, an edge brush, eyelashes, edge band, and things of that such. If you guys are interested in purchasing a wig, you guys will be getting a satin robe. So let's go ahead and get into this install. So before I start, I want to let you guys know the specs of this wig. So this is a 28-inch wig unit. You guys know I love long hair. It's also in 250% density. It has a 5x5 HD invisible lace, and it is in the body wave texture. So with this video, you guys, I wanted to do more of how to get a flat install, more of focusing more of on the styling. So I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond glue. You guys, if anything pops up on the screen, you can find it in my Amazon storefront. And yeah, so I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond Supreme always, never use anything else. I'm going to glue my wig down or my closure down like any other way, nothing different with applying the wig. So it did have a little bit of white where the closure meets with the wig unit, so I just took my mascara and I just kind of covered it up so that you won't be able to see it through the wig video. So I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm hot combing it back. But to get a really flat closure install, you guys, you're going to have to part your hair in small parts and, you know, basically hot comb it really flat. Make sure you guys are checking out this flat iron or this hot comb. It's also in my Amazon store. It's an Andis. You also can find it in Target as well. I did see this brand in my own Target, so make sure you guys go and check it out. But I am basically just going to go and part my hair where the closure is and make sure that I'm getting it really flat, you guys. Like, it's very crucial that you part your hair in small parts with these closures because they're so dense. To take my edge wax stick. I found this in Target, you guys. I tried to find it on Amazon, but I can't find it, so make sure you guys go ahead into Target. It is the olive oil brand. I'm then going to take my edge brush comb and make sure that I can get my parting as precise as possible. I think that using the wax stick is going to get your parting as sleek and flat as possible, you guys. Please make sure that you go and invest in this wax stick or find like another brand. I feel like they kind of all do the same, but I love the shine that this edge wax give. I'm then taking my hot comb and literally making sure that I'm getting it as flat and sleek as possible. I'm telling you guys, invest in a edge wax stick. So for the most part, this is pretty much it when it comes to the how to get a flat install with your closures. I do think that you guys should invest in bigger closures than the 4x4s. Get your closure as big as possible. If you can get a 5x5 closure like this one, a 6x6, or even a 7x7, girl, look, you have a frontal at this point. Okay, so I'm also taking my curling wand. This one is more of like a flat curling wand, and it's just going to get my hair even flatter. I love this as well, and it's also in my Amazon storefront. So if you guys are looking for new products or hair tools and things of that such, then make sure you guys go and check it out. So this is as sleek and flat as possible. Again, I did use my foundation to tint my lace, you guys. I did also bleach the knots as well. So what you guys see is bleach knots in my foundation as well. It looks really natural and it looks really flat, and I love it. And it also looks really good with no baby hairs. So they did send over some lace. I did want to talk to you guys about the lace. They sent over the HD lace, which is what this wig unit is here today. They also sent over the regular lace, and they sent over the transparent lace. I do not like the transparent lace at all because I am of a darker skin tone and it doesn't look good on me. It's a white cast, you guys. But here in the middle, I'm touching it so I can like see how smooth it feels, and the HD lace just feels more smoother, and it also melts into my skin more than the transparent and the regular lace. So if you guys are looking into getting a wig, just make sure you get an HD lace. Like, HD lace is just going to blend perfectly with every skin tone. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and style my hair.